In this tutorial, I will add a dog leg stair in a north-south direction. Let us open the east elevation. Open the dialog box. Select E for east-west grid line and 3 for the north-south grid. Select level 1 and level 2 for the bottom and top level. Suppose this stair has 8 rises in the first flight and 8 rises in the second flight. Let the tread length be 250 and stair width 1000. Waist slab thickness is 265. The stair has the right run. Stairwell is 0. Landing length is equal to stair width, that is 1000. The landing thickness is 250. This stair starts and ends with tread for the first flight and second flight. Select the arrow pointing towards the south direction. Select the left stair turn. Click the OK button. Select the appropriate bottom and top slab. Save the family to construct the stair in the drawing. Observe the stair in the drawing. Open the 3D view to study the stair. Let us copy this stair. In the 3D view, open Stair Manager. Select the mark from the pull-down menu from the Copy Stair area. Select Level 1 for from bottom field, and select Level 5 for to bottom level. Hit the OK key. Go on selecting the bottom and top floors appropriately to copy the stair.